at contributions to SACCO, I contribute to Bunge SACCO. I could as well take that money and enjoy lunch every day. But because I'm making a saving, Mr. Speaker, I have all the faith and trust that my money will never disappear from Bunge SACCO. But the case we have here, Mr. Speaker, money disappeared from Maziwa SACCO. That's somebody's salary, deducted by the SACCO, but then when you want your money, you're told the money is gone. I don't know, the company has been put into receivership. That is not the way we should treat our Kenyan workers. And I want to propose to the committee that instead of waiting for the ministry to make recommendations on what amendments we can propose to the relevant laws, this is something we can do as a committee. Let us make a proposal on amending the law. We bring it to this House, Mr. Speaker. It is passed, and then we can at least help the future workers who may find themselves in such a situation. I am also calling upon